Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this heated towel rack for reviewing process. It's a 4-level rack that heats up your towels once they are used, which I think that it's nice. You can set that in your bathroom or wherever you need it when you have some, wet towels, even in your kitchen, which I think that it's nice. Let's open it up. As you can see, it comes really well protected with this plastic bubble wrap, which I think that it's nice. That way it doesn't came that much, and you can set it up from 2 up to 4 hours of continuous use, so it turns off automatically, which I think that it's great. This is the main unit. As you can see, it comes with the power cord, and it has some spaces so we can place where it will connect upon the wall, which I think that it's nice. In here it's the power cord we just connected, and in this side we have these spaces where the supports will go. They are in here, okay? They are already included. We just need to do the proper installation, and we get the marking on where to do the holes, which I think that it's nice. That way you can just set up on the wall and do the drilling. We also get the instructions on how to use it, which I think that it's nice. All the important steps and informations and how to wire it. That's something that I also think that it's really great. Okay, and it comes with everything that you're gonna need to do this installation, which I think that it's also really nice. So let's go ahead and start and doing this installation, and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, what I like about this towel warmer rack for your bedroom is that it comes with all the installation and mounting accessories that are required, and the instructions are really clear. You can just install it, and it doesn't take much more than like 10 minutes approximately, and it's really easy. You just have to plug it in and that's it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It feels really sturdy, and I like a lot that you can control it right here. You just have to turn it on and it will start heating up, and you can set it up for a turn off automatically up to 2 hours, up to 4 hours or 2 hours, depending of what you like. And I think that it's really nice. It looks amazing. It has a nice, simple, minimalist design with its brushed metal finish. I think that it gives it a fancy look. And let's go ahead and test it out. I have a towel right here, which I'm gonna get wet in a second and place it upon the towel dryer. Okay, I'm gonna set it up for 2 hours, and I'm gonna give it a quick rinse. Okay, now that it's all soaked up, I can actually feel the temperature getting higher, and I'm just gonna place it in and leave it right there. Okay guys, now approximately like 10 minutes have passed by, and I think that it's nice because it's no longer wet as it was. It's still a little bit humid, mostly upon the corners of our towel, but in the middle part it's ready. And I think that it's nice because, well, you can just have your towels right there hanging, and it will, drying them. Or in any case, if you want, you can set up your already dried towels upon the drying rack and set it up for to get hot towels, which I think that it's really nice, and it's really practical. As you can see, it was a really easy installation that didn't take that much long. I just basically drilled the holes and placed the base, and that's it. And overall, because it's a easy installation, it works perfectly, and I think that it's nice to have it around in those cases where you need to dry your towels a little bit faster if you want them hot. I think that it's a nice option. So overall, I actually like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.